Now we don't understand this guy again. The doomsday is too much. The doomsday is too much. We have generators in our house, but what about others? What about others? So this president, if you know you can't handle the country, just wake up there, because right now Lagos Jollof is better than you. Lagos Jollof is better than you, because every day Jumso. Why? Or you say the lies and we don't know, or what? Or you say the lies give some people again, some different country again. We don't understand the Jumso again. So if you know you can't handle the country, just wake up there. Don't sit there and do that really fucking shit. Now Nigeria Jollof is better than you self. So this everyday juice, so we know what take it in this Ghana here. This everyday juice, so we know what take it. So Nana Akufo-Addo, if you know that you can't fix the lights out, come to me. I will loan you money. And you fix the lights out. We can't take everyday juice like that. Why? Come out there. If you know you can come, if you know you can handle the country, how you feel, say you can handle it? I don't force yourself. If you don't have money, just come out there. You can handle it ourselves. If you know you can handle the country again, just come out there. We will handle ourselves. How much you feel to handle the Ghana? Even lies, everyday gym so. Come out there. If you know you don't have money, come to me. I will loan you money. Why? What's your problem? Come out there. You there chopping jollof every day. Lagos jollof is better than you. I put talk. Your sweet like Kipso box. Your sweet baked like Kipso box. It's too much. You can't take it again. Why? See your shoe like ambulance. Come out there. If you know that happen, how can you like and say you can handle the country every day? So if you don't have generator, how we go do feed you? But our rich man, you get generators here. See your hair. It look like mirror. Fuck you there. We don't gonna take this thing there. Hey, nana do round kwa. If you don't change, we will do you rest in peace in this Ghana. If you don't change your behavior and fix the lights out, we will do you rest in peace. We will do you rest in peace. You hear? If you don't change and fix the lights out, we will do you rest in peace. I had to tell you.